In a previous demo, we looked at using the built-in roles that we get with Microsoft Exchange Server 2019. In your organization, that might not be suitable, and you may need more granular permissions. One of the things we can do, though, is we can create our own custom roles. And we do that through the Exchange Admin Center, or alternatively, we can also do it as well through the Exchange Management Shell. In this demonstration, we'll just have a quick look of actually creating the role through the Exchange Admin Center. So come in the Exchange Admin Center. What we're going to do in the Exchange Admin Center, we're then going to come to the permissions. And within the permissions, what we're going to do is we're going to start creating an admin role. And to create an admin role, on the Admin Roles tab, we click the plus button to create an admin role, and we just need to fill out some information relating to that role. We're going to create the role Marketing Admins. I'm not going to bother with the description. I'm just going to leave the default right scope for now, so I'm not going to target this against any organizational unit. We'll have a look at how we could do that through the Exchange Management Shell. But in the case of roles, I'll just select my plus button. And then what I need to do is I need to decide exactly what I want to add in here. So what I'm going to add in here is I'm just going to scroll this down towards the M's. What we're going to do down towards the M's is we're just going to go for mail recipient creation. What we're also going to go for is mail recipients. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to select OK. Next thing we have to do is we have to add some members into this role. So we'll select the plus button under members. What we're going to do at this point here is we're just going to scroll down towards the B's. We're just looking for a user called Bradford. We're going to add in Bradford. Now we'll select OK. Now we'll select Save. So now what we've done is we've created our new Marketing Admins role. We'll now move over to the Exchange Management Shell. In the Exchange Management Shell, we're going to do a get-management role assignment. We're going to do that for -role assignee Marketing Admins. Then what we're going to do is we're going to pipe that with the shift / on my UK keyboard. We're going to do space, we're going to set management role assignment, and we're going to then specify -recipient organizational unit scope. I'm going to specify adatum.com/marketing. Now we've applied that, we'll just make sure it definitely has applied. So if we just come back to the Exchange Admin Center, look at Marketing Admins, and what we should see, if we have a look, we should see the right scope. It's adatum.com/marketing. Let's just move over to Active Directory users and computers. What we can see under the Microsoft Exchange security groups, we can see our Marketing Admins group that we created. Now if we had to put a description in, it would have also shown up in here as well. So we'll just close down the Active Directory users and computers, and what we'll do here is we'll just log out as administrator. And then what we'll do is we'll just log in as Bradford. So we're now logged in as Bradford. So Bradford only has permissions to marketing organizational unit. So let's just look at the administrator account. He does have recipient management, but only at marketing. Let's just edit administrator. What we can see is everything's grayed out. Can't type anything in at this point here. So we'll select cancel. Let's just create a new mailbox. So what we're going to do at this point here is we're just going to create user mailbox. We're going to go for an existing user. So just in the case of the alias up at this point here, what we'll do is we'll type this in as Aidan. Then we'll browse through, and all we're going to do is we're going to browse through and we're just going to find a user called Aidan Norman. And Aidan Norman, we'll select OK. As we can see, he's in the manager's organizational unit. So what we'll do is we'll save this off. And as you can see, we get an error saying we can't perform the save operation, and that's because we don't have permissions anywhere but the marketing group. So let's just cancel that off. Let's create another new user. Again, we're going to go for an existing user, but this time we're going to go for a user called Anthony. So we'll just browse through. We'll look for Anthony Lynch. So we have a look down here for Anthony Lynch. And as we can see, he is in marketing. So at this point here, we'll just select the save button. And as we can see, we've now created the mailbox for Anthony. So that proves that that new custom role we've just created only has permissions for recipient purposes at the organizational unit marketing. And that's the end of this demonstration. Thank you.